I don't think you can see that. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Man, the sun is so hard right now. Let's go to the shade. So last night, when I got back to the car, it was way too bright. There was a lot of light in the park, and as a result, there was a lot of people. It wasn't private at all. So we had to leave the park inside the city, and we came to this place, which is made for overnight camping / parking. And there's our car right sort of behind us here. There it is. Anyway, there's also this great view of Mantua behind us, which I don't think this camera is picking up that well, but it's right there behind us. So let's see if I can get out of the way a little bit. No, that's just the building. Anyway, there it is. Okay, way over there. So slept here instead, and now we're gonna start the day. Okay, so we got the exercising in, and now we're going to try what we bought yesterday. So what this is it's a Ciberzalona. Okay, and what it says is typical of the city of Mantua, the Ciberzalona is a cake of peasant origins, now included in the category of Italian culinary heritage products. Crunchy and crumbly, it is served split in coarse pieces. Hence the name Ciberzalona from the direct word brisa, or crumb. And it's got portion sizes. Here we go. Really good. Sugar. Got a lot of sugar. Basically, it's a butter cookie. Butter cookie. And now we got the Anello de Manco. Now this one, let's see here. Anello de Manco. From 1789, Mantua welcomed dozens of Swiss confectionaries from the canton of Grisons, who brought with them the flavors and influences of the tradition of the Alps found in the Anello de Monaco, and leavened, only cake handmade. So this is what it looks like. There's the name. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'm still sweaty, sorry. Eggs are cooling down right now. So we're gonna try this one out. This thing's really wrapped up here, kind of tight. Jeez Louise, it's like it's got these metal fasteners here. I just can't do it. No, I'm just kidding. It's so... we're gonna need a knife. Actually, we're gonna use the nail clipper here to poke a hole in it. The old nail clipper. There we go. Now we got it. Now I gotta admit, I'm all about glaze. Like, I love me glaze. Love glaze. So that's what had me, is the glaze. Ever watch an unboxing video? Somebody buys some new piece, like a new graphics card or something? It's like that. It's like we're unboxing this. So I'm tempted to just bite right into it. Oh, you can see like there's some sort of cake in the middle there. I think we're just gonna open it up. So the cake in the middle is only on the bottom. It's an almond, it's like almond paste. Kind of like what you'd have, and it's just the exact same things that you have in like a bear claw. It's not glazed. But I'm gonna eat it. It's not bad. The bread is almost like brioche. So I think this thing should be all the way through it though. I'd pay another euro more for that. So we're carrying our laundry into the city to get done. And this is the river, estuary, lake, whatever it is. Not estuary, it's wrong. And a lot of people on this bridge. And there's the laundry. I gotta go in there. Very nice park and walkway. A lot of people out enjoying the Saturday. Still on our way to the laundry. Well, it was a mile walk we got here. And the only problem is when I got change, it was like this, tokens. That's not a euro. So now I'm kind of gypped. Unless I dry it, I don't want to dry it because I want my clothes to shrink. And there's no one else here, so somebody might get a free token. So this park is just really fantastic. On our way back, and people are fishing and walking the dogs, having picnics. What a beautiful, lush place. So relaxing. So remember that spool of rope that we bought to try and get the drone out of the tree? Well, I kept it and we found a great use for it. Yep, we're drying the laundry. That way we'd save the money on the dryer and it's gonna dry. So yes, it's probably embarrassing, and at times you're like, oh my God, there's a gypsy that's moved in or something, but I'm only here for, this is only right now, and it'll be dry very soon. So even though we're currently in the shade, we put the water bottles up here on my left for the laundry, and they are warm, so that's gonna be great hot water for tonight. I want to take a moment to show you this awesome castle. And what's really neat about it though too is that it still has a moat. And the moat is expansive. I don't know how deep that is, but it is wide. I might go in, if they have tours, I might go in later on or take a tour or just go inside to buy a ticket and see it. But I just want to show it to you for right now. This is in Mantua. So it turns out it's like €1 European night at museums. So we're gonna go into the castle there, and then this Plaza Ducal. By the way, this whole facade right here was built for King Philip II in like 1549, something like that. And this, so all the porticos, the columns, the arches, this whole thing is like a jacket that they put on for it in front of the castle. And the castle is what I'm more interested in seeing. So we're gonna go in now for €1, and then we're gonna go over to the palace and maybe even an archaeological museum. But you know, and it's almost 9 o'clock, so it's kind of crazy. So you know, come out to the museums all over Europe at night and only pay €1. So this is the entrance to the castle. Built, I want to say in the 13th century, and then renovated over the years. It's so sad to see the facade like this. It's gone. What it used to be and what it could have been. Well, I guess we just start going up here. Okay, I have my backpack on in front for some sort of painting, I guess. Well, this is what it looks like inside, and it's okay. And this is the inner set. Oh, got some crows. This is the inside of the courtyard. Oh boy. Well, got our nice hallway here in the castle. I'm beginning to think, thank God, this thing is only a year old, because for 15 years it would have been a total ripoff. I will say the lighting is very superb on these. So we finally come to something that I appreciate here. This mural is depicting the fall of Troy. And I think it's done justice. It's a very good job. So this is a relief. Every one of these statues is showing Hercules, and each one of them, he's basically vanquishing something. So here's a lion, here's a hydra in the middle. We've got some sort of boar or wolf. There's like a horse or something. People down below. Cow. So this relief is depicting a battle between Romans and Gauls. This room is exquisite as well. And this place just keeps going and going and going. I'm exhausted. They want me to carry my backpack in front. I'm carrying it in the back now. My back is hurting me just by carrying it in front. But it's a beautiful room. And yet another beautiful room.
Questa patria strana da cui provengo. E da come ogni contorno adesso un pezzo ormai avvenuto. Sostenere il peso di questa continua tempesta mi obbliga a intraprendere un cammino che diverge. Entrare